Welcome again. Today we discuss about the what, why, when, where and how of aerobics. Aerobic activities intend to improve the cardiac output and promote a healthy heart. The ability or the extent up to which one can do a moderate workout without fatigue building up is what is meant by cardiovascular endurance. We all know that oxygen is required for cell activities. Oxygen from the air is absorbed by alveolar sacs present in lungs, which are covered by blood vessels where the oxygen diffuses into the blood. This oxygenated blood is circulated to the heart, which then pumps it to the rest of the body. After cell activities, the released carbon dioxide is diffused into the blood, now called as deoxygenated blood, and is again carried to the heart, which then pumps back to the lungs and thereby out from the body. We all need to do exercises or workout to increase this endurance of the cardiorespiratory system. There are two ways in which energy is released in the body. One, obtaining energy directly from energy stored entities called as anaerobic activities, and two, convert stored energy to energy needed for the body in the presence of oxygen called as aerobic activities. Anaerobic activities are much limited than aerobic activities. When you do aerobic workouts, what you're doing is increase the body's cardiovascular endurance and the ability to do work effortlessly. Workouts usually include a light walking or jogging for more than half an hour. But don't these activities may seem simple or monotonous after a while? Well, here's the answer. Include a musical workout to ensure and develop that endurance. Providing a background music to your light to moderate workout will remove any mundaneness and encourage you to work for more duration. Let us play an example for you. The movements shown here is only for reference. You can add your own groove as per your ability, and slowly you see that the body, mind and soul smiling back at you. Hope you all do some aerobic workout to stay fit, healthy, happy and smart. And thank you.